Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. Today's tutorial is all about this simple and beautiful makeup look. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget also to click on the notification bell, so when I upload a video, you will be among the first people to watch my video. So let's get right into the tutorial. I already did my brows off camera. Now I am just using the Zaron eye primer to prime my eyes. It's also like a base for my eyeshadow. For my eyes, I will be using the PS Berry Edition eyeshadow palette. This one I got it from Primark. Since I got this eyeshadow palette, you guys, I think I am beginning to fall in love with Primark products. Like, you guys, I think they are really stepping up their game, and I love this palette. It shades, but not that bad. Like, it's okay. To cut my crease, I am using the Catrice Camouflage Cream. I know most people use concealer to cut their crease, but I so love this cream, and since I started using it, it's been doing the job, so why not? So I'm just going to use it to define my crease, just to give some definition to the eyes. Now I'm going to be using a Glitter Junkie eyeshadow palette. This one I also got it from Primark. I have not used this product, like I've not used this eyeshadow palette. I'm trying it for the first time, so you guys, let's just see how it goes. I'm excited. Wow, you guys, just take a look at those eyes. Look at, is it lemon green I should call it, or green? I don't know, but like, you guys, I am loving those eyes. Look at the purple, then comes the pink. Wow, like, come on, I am feeling those eyes. So now I'm just blending all the eyeshadow together because the look I'm going for, I want a touch of blue, so I'm just going to deepen that green a little bit, just like let it fade out a little bit because I want a blue to top it. So now I have my blue and I think I am okay with this look. I'm just going to use that base color to like blend it all together. Just keep blending until I'm satisfied. So next I'm using the Maybelline liquid eyeliner just to give that eye a little bit of extension. For my under eye, I'm just going to use this normal kajal. This one I got it from a drugstore. Yeah, you can get this one from any makeup shop. It's just a normal kajal, you know, just to line my under eye. I'm going over my under eye with a pink eyeshadow just to give the eye some definition, to let it pop a little bit, you know. I'm not going for any false lash, but I still want something to be happening around the eyes. I'm going in next with the Maybelline mascara just to make sure my eyelashes are stretched out. tear dot area, I'm just going to use this NYX matte finish spray to wet my brush a little bit before I apply the PS highlighter, the Gold Rush edition. You guys, I don't know why, I just like to use highlighter to I just like to use it for my tear dots. I don't really like using eyeshadow. I don't know why, you know, makeup is all about do what suits you. I am going in next with a classic Perfect mattifying face primer. This one I got it from Nigeria, and since I started using it, I really like it. Like, it gives you that smooth feeling. It really makes the face very soft and smooth, and yeah, I like it. For foundation, I'm using the Black Opal Cream Stick Foundation, truly to bars. I want the full coverage, like I just want that full coverage, so I'll be mixing it with Heavenly Honey to make sure there is no pimples sticking out. I just want to like give it that perfect touch. So now I'm just using my beauty blender to blend the foundation well, to make sure it's sitting on that face properly, and also to take away the excess shine. For highlighting, I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer just to highlight my face. For contouring, I am using the Zical powder and foundation palette. I'll be using the one called Dark Cacao. This product is my first time using this product, you guys, so pardon the way I pronounce it. I don't know, it's cacao or something. This product is a Nigerian product. I got it from Nigeria, and yeah, let's see how it's going to turn out. Still on contouring, I'll be using the Maybelline brush to like define my nose area very well. And you guys, if you must know, I get like 80% of my brushes from this brand. Like, I love Maybelline brushes. If you are in Germany, you can get them from DM or from Rossmann. They are quite cheap. Yeah. This brush, I got it's a MAC brush. I don't know if it's a fader like brush. I don't even know the name. So I'm just going to like use any harsh lines just to blend it in. So now I'm using the Zical powder palette. Like, it's time for baking, so I'm using this one is called Fawn, yeah, just to bake that face, to highlight that face. Yeah, you guys, you know, when you want that full face beat, you have to like bake. For the same PS highlighter palette, I'm just going to highlight my nose, my forehead, my cheekbones, my upper lip, and also somewhere down my neck. For my lip, I'm using the PS Perfect lip liner. This one is called Business Lady. I'm just going to use it to fill in my lips completely because I don't want to apply any lipstick. Give my lips the matte finish look, I'm just going to grab my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and take some eyeshadow to add to my lips. You will see. guys, this is a finished look and the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a thing or two. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.